they're going to be riding all the way down from Lexington to Somerset, from Somerset to London. So we're going to get out a little bit beforehand on this beautiful Saturday on some back roads to try to meet up with them. Instead of, because I don't know which way they're going to be going, but yeah. Hey guys, stay left, stay left. Yep. That bump came pretty good, pretty fast. And today, as y'all can see, I am on my 06. And man, I have missed riding this thing. It's night and day difference between this and the 23. I get myself in trouble a lot more on this one. I do. I'm telling you. For some reason, I just feel like I can corner better. Obviously I have the car tire on there, but the car tire on that 23 just sits. I think it sits the bike a little bit lower. So, and this one here is. I have no problems. How you liking, Amelia?
Oh, I love it.
Good. You good, Mr. Run?
Real good.
I was just telling Amelia and Run that I went from double dark side to just dark side. I went back with my Bridgestone GT. I forget the name of the tire, but I've always loved Bridgestone. It's been good, and I'm telling you, the bike rides so smooth and so flawless, especially in these curves. So,
shout out Bridgestone. If you want a sponsor, hit us up.
Y'all know she's my lawyer, my wife, my promoter, everything. Man, look at that. But yeah, what she said, Bridgestone. Oh man. This old girl's still looking good. She got 140,674 miles. Got them turning up here. Break it down.
Doc, how many of those miles did you put on there?
When I bought this bike, I did buy it used in 2016, and it had only 4,000 miles on it when I got it. So, and I put a brand new, when I got it, I put a brand new engine in it, brand new transmission, all of that stuff. Because believe it or not, when I bought it, what was it, Mr. Ron? Maybe 3 weeks afterwards, this transmission was slipping on the 4th and 5th gear.
Oh yeah, it might have been 2.
Yeah, probably it was 2 weeks.
You hadn't hardly had it at all.
No. And so I had warranty on it. I got, luckily, I got the extended warranty on that thing. It was unbelievable how good that extra warranty was.
Man, everything that come off that bike had to go in brand new.
Yep. That's it. It sure did. And the old Honda store up here in Richmond had this guy. The only thing he did was work on the Goldwings. And watch this car, everybody. Break it down. Let's go left. I'm gonna let it. That's the mailman.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, everything that went into the bike or came off the bike, anything goes back into it, had to be brand spanking new. So, yeah, I don't know what the guy did beforehand. When I got it, watch this curve, everybody. When I got it, it did have a heel toe shifter on it, and I still have a heel toe shifter on it. Wow. And so I think he probably had his darn foot on the shifter going down the interstate and not knowing it.
Probably.
So, I'm not really sure what was going on, but long story short, they took care of it, didn't they, Amelia?
I sure did. I mean, they knew me and Mr. Ron very well.
Yeah, because while I was away I was in med school, and I was shipping. I mean, I was buying aftermarket everything from that darn Kiriakin website and everything else, and I was just buying it online, ship it to the house, and I'd say, "Hey, Amelia, when you get off from work, run up there and get this taken care of." Send it up there, and Amelia just walked straight to the back like she worked there.
Joe did, heels and all.
She did. That was funny. She come past the service desk and said, "Take it on back there." And I'm actually going to post a picture. Here's a picture of it. You can see they had this bike all the way down to the frame. Because anybody, if you've had a Goldwing that had to do a transmission replacement on it, then they're a little busy today.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Then that the whole motor has to come out. And yeah.